Leonard Paul Marshall, emergency motion for injunction. United States Supreme Court. Declaration of Leonard Paul Marshall. In support of emergency motion for injunction, I, Leonard Paul Marshall, declare under penalty of perjury pursuant to 28 U.S.C. Section 1746. 1. I am a resident of Summerville, South Carolina, within the boundaries of the 1st Congressional District, SC1. 2. I am a registered voter and have participated in federal elections under the SC1 district configuration. 3. I was a named plaintiff in Lavergne v. United States House of Representatives, Civil Action No. 17793, DDC Quam, which challenged congressional apportionment under Article the 1st of the U.S. Constitution. That case was dismissed for lack of standing and justiciability. 4. The current redistricting of SC1 presents a distinct and direct injury to me as a voter, separate from the historical constitutional theory advanced in that case. 5. The redistricting plan adopted in 2021 removed over 30,000 black voters from Charleston County and placed them into the 6th District, diluting minority voting strength and altering the political composition of SC1. 6. As a resident of SC1, I have experienced a loss of representational access and community integrity. My vote has been diluted, and my district no longer reflects the demographic and political interests of my community. The federal court in Alexander v. SC Nay ACP, 590 Federal Supplement 3D 534 DSC 2023, found that SC1 was racially gerrymandered in violation of the Equal Protection Clause. The Supreme Court's decision to allow the map for the 2024 election due to timing constraints does not negate the underlying constitutional violation. 8. I submit this declaration to establish standing and support my request for emergency injunctive relief to prevent further elections under unconstitutional maps. Executed on August 19, 2025. Summerville, South Carolina. Signature: Leonard Paul Marshall. Leonard Paul Marshall, emergency motion for injunction. August 19, 25. Clerk of the Supreme Court, Supreme Court of the United States, 1 First Street, Nay, Washington, D.C., 2543. Emergency motion for injunction prohibiting the continued use of a congressional map, SC1, judicially determined to be unconstitutional. Further, it would prohibit any congressional redistricting nationwide until this matter is adjudicated. Dear Clerk, enclosed, please find my emergency motion for injunction pursuant to Supreme Court Rule 22, directed to Associate Justice Clarence Thomas, as Circuit Justice for the Fourth Circuit. I am submitting this motion in my capacity as a registered voter in South Carolina's 1st Congressional District, seeking immediate relief from the continued use of a congressional map, judicially determined to be unconstitutional. Included in this submission are emergency motion for injunction. Declaration of Leonard Paul Marshall. Appendix with supporting exhibits. I respectfully request that this application be docketed and forwarded to Justice Thomas for consideration. Please do not hesitate to contact me at the number or email above should any additional information be required. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Respectfully, Leonard Paul Marshall.